The F-35 Lightning II is one of the most advanced and ambitious fighter jet programs ever developed, a fifth-generation stealth multirole combat aircraft engineered by Lockheed Martin to maintain air superiority while fulfilling a wide array of mission requirements. From the outset, the F-35 was designed not only to replace legacy fighters across multiple branches of the United States military but also to serve as a cornerstone of Allied air forces around the world. What sets the F-35 apart is its combination of stealth, sensor fusion, advanced avionics, and multirole capability, all of which culminate in a fighter jet that can dominate in the air, support troops on the ground, gather vital intelligence, and operate in the most contested environments on Earth. The F-35 program includes three primary variants tailored to the needs of different services. The F-35A is the conventional takeoff and landing (CTOL) version used by the U.S. Air Force. The F-35B is a short takeoff and vertical landing (STOVL) variant used by the U.S. Marine Corps, designed to operate from shorter runways and even amphibious assault ships. The F-35C, with its larger wingspan and rugged landing gear, is specifically built for aircraft carrier operations and is used by the U.S. Navy. Despite their physical differences, all three variants share a high degree of commonality in terms of avionics, software, and mission systems, reducing logistical complexity and enhancing interoperability among branches and allied nations. One of the defining features of the F-35 is its stealth capability. Designed from the outset to be nearly invisible to enemy radar, the aircraft uses a combination of shape, radar-absorbent materials, and internal weapons bays to minimize its radar cross-section. Unlike previous stealth aircraft that were often limited in mission scope, the F-35 brings stealth into a flexible, multirole platform that can fight in the air, strike ground targets, and carry out reconnaissance missions, all with reduced risk of detection. This gives the F-35 a tremendous advantage in modern conflict, particularly in environments where sophisticated air defense systems might otherwise deny access to traditional aircraft. The jet's sensor suite is equally impressive. Central to its intelligence gathering and situational awareness capabilities is the AN/APG-81 Active Electronically Scanned Array (AESA) radar, which can track multiple targets at great range and provide high-resolution synthetic aperture radar (SAR) imagery. Complementing the radar is the Distributed Aperture System (DAS), a network of 6 infrared cameras positioned around the aircraft that provide full spherical awareness, allowing the pilot to see in all directions and even through the airframe via a helmet-mounted display. The Electro-Optical Targeting System (EOTS) integrated beneath the aircraft's nose, gives the F-35 high-precision targeting capabilities while retaining stealth characteristics. All of this sensor data is seamlessly fused and presented to the pilot through an advanced cockpit interface, reducing workload and vastly enhancing situational awareness. Another key advantage of the F-35 is its digital backbone. The aircraft is powered by over 8 million lines of code, making it not just a flying machine but a flying supercomputer. The mission systems use artificial intelligence and data fusion to interpret and display only the most critical information to the pilot, enabling quicker and more informed decisions in the heat of battle. The F-35 also functions as a network node, capable of sharing information in real time with other assets in the air, on land, and at sea. This makes it a force multiplier in joint and coalition operations, ensuring that all participants in a combat operation can benefit from the F-35's superior awareness and connectivity. In terms of performance, the F-35 is powered by the Pratt & Whitney F-135 engine, which provides over 40,000 pounds of thrust and allows the aircraft to reach speeds of Mach 1.6. The engine's design also enables the vertical lift fan used in the F-35B variant, an engineering feat that allows the jet to hover and land vertically. While not designed primarily for dogfighting, the F-35 is still agile and capable in close air combat scenarios, particularly when combined with its stealth and sensor advantages, which allow it to engage adversaries before being detected. The weapons loadout of the F-35 reflects its multirole nature. In stealth mode, the aircraft can carry weapons internally to maintain a low radar signature, typically including AIM-120M ROMs for air-to-air combat and precision-guided bombs such as the GBU-31JDAM for ground attack missions. In scenarios where stealth is less critical, the aircraft can also carry additional ordnance on external hardpoints, greatly increasing its payload capacity. Future upgrades aim to expand the jet's arsenal further, integrating hypersonic weapons and improved air-to-air missiles. The global reach of the F-35 program is also unprecedented. As of today, more than a dozen countries are participating in the program as either buyers or production partners, including the United Kingdom, Italy, the Netherlands, Australia, Japan, South Korea, and Israel. This has made the F-35 not only a symbol of military cooperation but also a catalyst for standardization across allied air forces. The ability for different nations to operate the same advanced fighter platform increases interoperability in joint missions and simplifies logistics and training requirements. Maintenance and sustainment have been a significant focus of the program, with mixed results. Early in its deployment, the F-35 faced criticism over cost overruns and logistical challenges, particularly regarding the Autonomic Logistics Information System (ALIS). However, ongoing improvements and the transition to the newer Operational Data Integrated Network (ODIN) have steadily improved reliability and mission readiness rates. Furthermore, Lockheed Martin and the Department of Defense have worked to drive down unit costs, with the F-35A now priced competitively with fourth-generation fighters like the F-15X, all while delivering vastly superior capabilities. In the evolving arena of 21st-century warfare, where speed, information dominance, and survivability define the outcome of conflicts, the F-35 Lightning II stands as a transformative platform. Its stealth, flexibility, and digital architecture position it as a dominant force not only today but for decades to come. The jet's ability to perform across multiple mission profiles, air superiority, ground attack, electronic warfare, and intelligence gathering, makes it uniquely valuable in both conventional conflicts and asymmetric warfare scenarios. As adversary capabilities evolve and the threat landscape grows more complex, the F-35 remains a critical asset, ensuring that the United States and its allies maintain a decisive edge in any contested environment. The F-35 is not merely a successor to previous generations of fighter aircraft, it is a redefinition of what a combat jet can be. With continuous upgrades in software, hardware, and weapons systems already in motion, the aircraft will continue to evolve alongside the demands of modern combat. Whether deployed from land bases, aircraft carriers, or amphibious ships, the F-35 Lightning II embodies the cutting edge of aerial warfare and represents a leap forward in global air power.